And transition to the video. Emil, scoot in back, center it. Hello everyone, and welcome to the arcade show. Hi Emil.
Hi.
How you doing? All right, so today we're gonna be doing, I think we finished the water scene last time. We're gonna be looking at the Flappy Bird game that comes with arcade, and we're gonna upgrade it because it's got some old stuff in it, and we're gonna figure out if we can dive into someone else's code and fix it. Enhance it. Let's see if that's possible. All right. Let's go in arcade. Oh yeah, there's a ton of the new options in the streamer. Go to left, right.
Oh yeah.
These are the two views. And let's hide the chat. The chat will pop automatically when there's a message. So in the arcade, there's a game called JavaScript game. No, it's a block game. Falling Duck. And Falling Duck is kind of one of the first game we've written, and it's gonna be outdated. It has the old animation blocks. So what we're gonna try to do, although no, actually it's using the new animation block. What am I saying? All right, scratch that.
Maybe we could see if we actually finished Slugs versus Salads.
Oh, Slugs versus Salads. Where's that one?
It was in the beta.
Slugs versus Salad. No, we didn't finish it. Exactly. You're right.
Yeah.
There is something going on behind it. There we go. Sheet wasn't right. Slugs versus Salad. Our brilliant game. Okay, what was the status of Slugs versus Salad? Let's play it a bit.
So we had our crosshair.
Yeah, we can place.
Yeah, but we are still working on that. We just left on that note.
Oh, that's what we're doing. Slugs versus Salad. All right, so it looks like we should be able to. We need to have these strawberries shoot things.
Oh, what I do?
Yeah, that's in line with the game jam. So we have the game jam here. If you're not familiar with the game jam, we have 9 days, and you have 9 days left to do the garden game jam for arcade. Super cool. Submit your game that is garden based, and potentially win some amazing prizes.
T-shirt.
All right. Okay, so
we can't use our game though.
I know we're too close to the system. Okay, so Slug versus Salads. Let's go in there.
Yeah.
And yes, so we have a cursor, and we can place strawberries, and then the strawberries do nothing.
Yeah, we stopped on that.
All right, so what do you want the game strategy be for the strawberries?
So let's just say each like 2 seconds, each flower will give you a point, right? Because you need points to spawn things.
Okay.
Or like.
Yes, you need points. Okay, but we need. And what do those strawberries do?
Place a thing that starts.
What do the strawberries do? Let's
Um.
focus on the strawberries.
Well, strawberries could be like in Plants vs Zombies. You have the potato where it just stands there and it's a wall.
Oh, and then the thing are eating it.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a block. It doesn't attack, but
Okay.
the other things can like.
Oh, it's a blocker, and then the slugs eat the strawberry?
Yeah, but it gives you time if you're like low on points.
Okay, so
But usually you want like you place things that give you points.
well, we could do this thing where it buys you time that the slugs have to eat it. Or do you want to do a different mode?
You want a thing where like you want a blocker, and then you want a troop that gives you points, and then you want
whenever you do these kind of games, you have to kind of start with something. You can't do everything at once.
We'll do the.
So take a pick.
I think we'll do the one that shoots projectiles first.
Okay, shoots projectile. All right, that sounds great. So we've got our sprite here. We placed it on the tile map, and now we need a loop that shoots projectiles from all these. I
don't really like how the strawberry looks though. It takes up the whole tile.
Yeah. What do you want to do? Just erase some part of it.
I don't want it. I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like the strawberry? How about like a small strawberry like this? There you go. Ta-da!
Can I put legs? Can I put legs?
Sure. Legs are super important.
Like. Okay, it kind of looks like a red eggplant now, but
it's kind of a squished tomato. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a non-game update that runs, I don't know, every second, and goes through all these eggplants and shoots a projectile from them.
Oops.
Yeah, you can't access those. Oh, changes dimension. All right.
Wait.
Okay, done. All right, so strawberries with arms and legs. Yes, that's our faves. Okay, cool. Let's see. We're gonna do a game update every second. So you want to go and grab that. And now we're gonna go through all the sprites. So there's a block to get sprites of a kind, and it's either here, but also because this is a bit confusing. Wait, is it here? Yes, it's here, which always confuses me, but I'm gonna grab all the tower. Because that's how we call them. Towers. So I've got all the towers, and now I need to kind of loop through that. You want to do it? So you want to do a loop?
Yeah.
So this block gives you, and there's a special loop for these lists. In fact, we don't need the variable. We can just put it there. Wait, no. Silly mistake for me. Let's keep the variable. It's great for debugging.
Whenever keep those. Keep those. There's that bar that comes in front of my face.
Oh yeah. Stand-up trader. Here you go.
No, it looks like I have a really long neck.
It's going away. It's going away.
Okay.
Okay. So we've got our spread list, and now value is one of the strawberries, and we want to shoot a projectile from it. So that's a typical thing. We're going to go to the usual sprite projectile. Create projectile from my sprite. We put it in the loop. No, you're in the wrong loop. Yep. From. Drag this one in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Throw that away.
What does it shoot? Something cute and small?
Oh, yeah, there you go. We could do, so since it's usually like a pea shooter, we could do like a mini tomato shooter.
Something small. A little tomato here. There you go.
Can I do a teeny bit bigger?
Oh, yep.
Wait.
And this is a tomato, apparently. All right. A tomato. All right, Emil, let's get to it. All right, so this is a tomato projectile, and of course, horizontal speed, we want the projectile to go left.
Negative.
That way. So I'm going to do negative, apparently. And horizontally, we want 0. Yes. Okay, let's try that. Let's see what this looks like. So I'm putting oh.
Oh my god. We need it to go not negative.
I want to go positive. Let's see. Let's restart this.
Now we can have an ultimate army of tomatoes.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Beautiful. They shoot all at the same time. I don't know if that's the desired effect, but
yeah, I think that's the desired effect.
all right. So that's
well,
good.
We have an army.
Yeah. It's a bit too fast. So I'm going to go to 2 seconds. And now we need to do collision. So before we do that, let's do a new kind. Let's do a new type of sprite.
For the
kind of sprite, yeah, for the projectiles. Well, I guess it's fine.
Yeah.
All right, so we need to handle collision between projectile going into the slugs. All right, let's do that. Grab our projectile. Let's collapse this one. All right, so we're gonna go between our slugs. Yes, and that's why you want really good names for your.
Yeah, not super mega.
Not yeah.
Protector.
Slugs versus projectile, and what happens there?
Kaboom.
Kaboom.
We explode both of them.
All right. So,
wait, is this in what's it called again? Can you like create your own effect?
That's complicated.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Can you do it like once you destroy them?
We definitely need effects. It's a bit dull.
Yeah.
When they blow up.
Because like here, could you turn them into like once they get.
Oh, you want to put a dead slug?
Or yeah, or like full of tomato juice.
Oh, tomato juice. Okay,
or just dead, but
we could add a sprite here, a ghost sprite, and leave it there. And we could set a lifespan so that it disappears after a few seconds.
So you can tell that you.
All right. Sorry, we had an invasion here. We had to remind people we're recording. All right, cool. So we've got our, thanks for telling us on the chat. I really appreciate it. All right, so we've got our projectiles and they are shooting, and then you wanted to add a squished tomato?
Yeah, like you could put like a snail with like,
right.
I mean a slug.
So let's create a sprite. We can just create a new sprite.
New sprite.
And we're gonna do that.
Wait, I'm just gonna go find the unstart.
No, you don't want to do it.
Oh yeah,
you want to do it
yeah,
when the event happens. So let's put that here. All right, and we're gonna give it a kind so that it doesn't mess around, and that's gonna be
slug. Did I put like a underscore?
No, so
slug corpse.
Slug
corpse.
And I tend to capitalize those. Slug corpse. All right, take it away. What's the...
I'll draw my slug. Can we copy the image?
Yeah, we can copy the image. So how do we copy the image? Great question. There's actually, we're in beta, and one of our user, Jacob, implemented copy paste. So we can go and find, yeah, oh yeah, mind blown. Where is it? I guess we have to find first the onStart. Where is onStart? Where is the slug? Oh, slug is there. All right, so I see the slug. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna select, I'm gonna use the marquee tool like this and Control C. And now, amazement, where is it? Here, I'm gonna Control V. Yes! And now move it before you. Yeah, it's a great new feature. Many thanks to Jacob for implementing it. This really really helps us. All right.
I
wanna edit it.
His eyes aren't big enough for me to put X's, so.
Wait, no, you could do that. You could do like tink, chink, 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 chink.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Maybe a tongue that sticks out here.
Yeah. Okay. And then...
It could be a bit thinner. It could be a bit thinner, so it's being squished. It's a very subtle change. It's not clear that it's going to work out.
Let's see.
Oh, are these cars?
There's blood.
Tomato.
There's
This
tomato.
is a PG game. All right, so yeah, let's test it. Let's test this game. Let's see. So I'm going there.
Our slugs are allergic to tomato.
Oh, it's dead. But it's... Oh, we haven't positioned it.
Maybe that's good that it goes on the side.
No, yeah. Ew. Yeah, definitely. No. What's going on here? It should... we need to keep going. We need to position the sprite. It's not at the right spot. Okay, so remember, you create a new sprite. Not only it's acting with the physics, which we want to ignore, but it is positioned in the center of the screen.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a problem. So I was talking about ghost sprites. And you know ghosts can go through walls. So ghost means don't... I'm gonna rename this to
Corpse.
Corpse. So the corpse here is a ghost. So it won't slow down because there's a price to pay if you do physics. So now it's still at the same location, so we have to move it. And what we can do is we can set the X and the Y individually. So we're going to say set X of the corpse. Corpse, where's my corpse? Is equal to the X of the sprite.
Of the slug?
No, yes, of the sprite, so this one. Now there's one problem here, and we do the same for Y. It's ordering, because we basically already destroyed the slug.
So it'll position it.
Who knows what's going to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to move all this first. So first create the corpse while we still have the information.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we're done, destroy everything.
See how it looks.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be tons of dead.
I want to see how it looks full screen.
Yeah, it looks good. Now it's going to stay, which is annoying.
Yeah, we need to create a lifespan.
We are going to add lifespan. All right, let's add lifespan. Where is it? Where did it go?
It's in sprites.
Did our view move? It did. All right, you want to do that?
Yep. So I think I can just.
It's a property of the sprite, so it's just like set.
Oh yeah, it's a set.
It's a set. No, scroll up. No, that's a flag, and you want to set a number, so it's this one.
Oh, okay.
And we're gonna set that to, so no, not X, but lifespan. A lifespan reduces by 1 every game loop. Or is it, no, that's seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, how do we know? We can really check the help. Let's see if the help can tell us.
What the fuck?
Okay, then maybe my streamer doesn't like the help. Let's try how long? 3 seconds?
Oh yeah.
Let's try that. So the lifespan is going to ultimately destroy that sprite that sticks around. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, it kind of goes
We
away.
can once it goes away, we can make a little grave and a tombstone.
Oh. All right. So that's, I think that's going to be all for today. Let's see what we did. I'm going to share this program. Share this. Our great new progress. Ooh. Let's try again. We have all the...
It's starting to look good. I like
yeah. I need to go and...
Could we do
let's publish that.
Could we do like when they like get tomatoed? We could put like a text on top.
Yeah, we're gonna do that in the next episode. So we've got that, and we're gonna do our traditional screenshot of the movie. So I'm gonna go.
Where do I look? Where do I look?
Full screen, and we're gonna grab the Edge tab. Hold on. And oh, wait. I need a red squiggle here. Hold on. No, that was too early. That was too early. This is a bit of preparation. All right, Emil, stand up. You have to look that way because we're reversed. All right, you ready? And do a smiley face. All right, screenshot taken. Ready?
Can I see it?
We'll look it up when we upload to YouTube. Okay, cool. So that was another episode of the Slug game. Let's go back to a regular mode here. And just as a recap, we've done all this code here. And today we've added our strawberries are now shooting.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we're gonna go and take a look at more features on the next game. It is shared in the chat if you want to take a look at that. And we'll be continuing more tomorrow. Have a good day, everybody, and see you around.